Hi guys! Today, magro-room tour tayo. Ayusin muna natin to. Napasok ko na to. Ito yung room ko kasi dalawa yung room na binigay sa amin. Ito is 1203. 12603. Room 12603. So pagpasok mo, ang unang bubungad sa'yo, yung bed. Tapos meron siyang dalawang cabinet. Dito sa cabinet, maraming hangers, may safe, tapos may dalawang drawers. Tapos, doon sa kabilang side, meron din siyang cabinet. Maraming hanger din. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung ano to. What's this? Wala, design lang yata. Tapos may two drawers din siya. 1 and 2. Tapos ito yung bedside niya, maliit lang. Then may lamp. Tapos may overhead. Ito. Tapos may overhead cabinet din siya. Ayan, isa. Nalilipat ko sa kabila yung isa. Ay, sorry. Ito yung isa. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nandun. Wait lang. Kunin ko. Hindi ko makuha. Sabasara. Wait. I think extra pillowcase yun. Tapos madaming unan. Tapos makapal yung beddings nila. Tapos dito naman, pag ano mo, talikod mo, merong salamin. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung ano yan, Honeywell. Ito yung restroom. Yung restroom, decent naman. Decent size siya. So, ayan. Hot and cold shower. Meron na silang hair and body wash. Tapos, meron lalagyan ng mga sabon doon or kung may extra shampoo ka. May sabitan din. Ayun eh, stopper kung sabitan yan. Tapos, glass door. Tapos dito naman, dito yung lababo niya. Decent size din. Meron ditong soft soap. Tapos, face towel. Meron ditong hand towel. Meron din ditong tuwalya, towel, body towel. Tapos may note sila. We have been committed to the environment since our first sailings. Through our Save the Waves program, we reduce, reuse, and recycle whatever possible. You can help by hanging and reusing towel to reduce laundry, turning off water when brushing your teeth. Every effort counts. Oh. Ibang taray. Tapos, dito sa ilalim, ang dami nilang sanitary disposal bag. Tapos, meron silang trash can. Tapos, mga tissue. Tapos, ito yung toilet bowl. Tingnan natin pag pinindot kung ano mangyayari. Flush siya. Ito, ano mangyayari? Siguro ano lang to. Parang pag inopen mo to, stopper din siya. Ay, sorry. Tapos, meron siyang toilet bowl brush. Dito is merong dalawang baso. Then, dito may outlet. Siguro for hair dryer yan. Yun lang. So, lalayo ako para makita nyo. Pasensya na kung medyo magulo talaga akong magruto. Ayan. Tapos dito naman, pagpasok mo, may hairdresser dito. Meron ditong mga outlets. Then dito rin yung spectacular specials nila, yung mga show schedules. yung important immigration information nila. Then, may libre siyang 2 water. Meron din electric kettle. Merong green tea. Wala lang coffee, pero meron silang sugar. Brown sugar and sugar. Then, merong kutsara at saka 2 mug. So, check natin. Meron din silang yan. Mga drawers dito. I don't know kung ano. First time kung bubuksan. Oops. Meron silang tissue. Meron ditong hair dryer. At meron ditong safe disposal of medical needles. Note. Do you use medical needles? Keep others safe by discarding them properly. Please see your stateroom attendant to request a sharp container. Okay. Dito, sa second drawer, menu. Mga breakfast menu nila. Pag o-order ka, i-check mo lang kung ano yung gusto mong orderin. Hindi ko rin alam kung may bayad to or ano. Tapos, isasabit mo siya dun sa doorknob mo para makita ng mga butlers. So, ang pinabayad nila is 3 breakfast menu. Since medyo matagal-tagal tayo dito, nag-provide sila ng 3 breakfast menu. Order slip. And then dito sa second, empty naman siya. Sa third, empty rin. And then empty rin. And then this one, nandito yung mini fridge. Tingnan natin kung may laman yung mini fridge. Wala. Wala ang laman ng mini fridge. So, most probably,
very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Captain Flynn.
May announcement.
On behalf of the entire crew, I would like to welcome you all aboard the beautiful Spectrum of the
pakinggan
Seas.
natin na.
We're going to spend the next 5 days together on a wonderful New Year cruise to Okinawa. I also want to thank you for your cooperation in completing your mandatory safety briefing. There are a few more safety points to cover. Immediately following this announcement, the emergency signal will be sounded in compliance with the International Convention for Safety of Life at Sea. No action is required of you at this time. This signal is for your awareness in the unlikely event of a real emergency. Thank you for your attention and please stand by for the emergency signal.
尊敬的各位宾客，大家下午好。刚刚是来自船长 Fleming 先生在驾驶台做的离港广播，我代表全体船员欢迎大家来到美丽的海洋光谱号。同时，我也非常感谢各位能够配合完成离港前的安全培训。除此之外，我还需要强调以下安全须知：在接下来的广播结束后，符合国际海上安全公约的应急信号随之响起，您不需要采取任何行动，只是提醒各位，该信号在真正紧急的情况才会响起。感谢您的关注和配合。
So, ayan, may safety reminders lang sila na announcement. Ayun yung safety nila. Safety, kapag mayroong unlikely incidents or incidents, pag narinig mo yung 7 short horn and 1 long horn, pupunta ka na sa yung mga safety station, docking station.
If you hear this emergency signal, you must proceed directly to your assembly station.
Yes, assembly station
Please note
pala.
that all emergency exit escape routes and assembly stations are clearly marked and illuminated. These signs and or one of our highly trained crew members will guide you to your assigned assembly station. Do not use the elevators in the event of an emergency as they may not work. Guests who require assistance using the stairs should notify the stateroom attendant in order to allow us to assist you. Once you have reached your assembly station, our crew members will check you in and provide you with further instructions. Should it be necessary to evacuate the ship, your assembly station crew will guide you to your survival craft. There is nothing more important than your health and safety. Our medical facility, located on deck 2, includes doctors, nurses, and state-of-the-art medical equipment. The medical facility can be contacted by dialing 51 on the ship's telephones. If there is a medical emergency, please dial 911. This concludes our final safety briefing. Once again, thank you for your attention and cooperation. Assembly station crew, secure the equipment and stand down. And ladies and gentlemen, I expect to get underway on time at 4 o'clock this afternoon, and the weather forecast is partly cloudy skies with moderate winds and seas and an overnight low temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. Once again, welcome on board. I wish you all a wonderful evening on board the Spectrum of the Seas.
Yun, tapos na yung announcement and
当
safety
您听到以
briefings.
上信号后，
Pa-Chinese naman.
前往您的集合地点
Ito naman, for final ito naman meron ditong
标注和点亮。
isang
这些标识和
one-seater sofa.
船员将
So for a family of 3, actually okay na to.
请勿使用电梯。
Pero kami kasi, dalawa yung room na ibinigay sa amin kasi each stateroom is,
当您到达集合地点，
bawat stateroom is ano lang, tawag dito,
当需要时，我们会协助您登上救生艇吧。您的健康和安全高于一切，配备了医生、护士和顶级设备的。
may Chinese ano pa eh, hindi ko makat.
您可以通过拨打船用电话51与医疗中心取得联系。如果是遇到医疗紧急情况，请拨打911。上述须知是离港安全培训的一部分。我再次感谢您的关注与配合。集合点的工作人员可以放回室。
Tapusin lang natin ha.
我们很快将准备好离港。今夜的天气情况是多云、中风、中浪，最高气温15摄氏度。请大家知悉，12月30日凌晨2点，船时将向前调整1小时，由东8区进入东9区。最后，我再次欢迎各位宾客登船，同时望各位享受船上的假期。谢谢。
Ayun, tapos na. So, bawat stateroom kasi, 2 lang ang allowed sa room. Eh, 3 kami. So, binigyan kami ng 2 rooms. So, ang gagawin namin, alternate namin tutulugan. Sayang din naman kasi. Para ma-maintain yung cleanliness niya, di ba? Kalinisan, oh. So, that's all for today. Take a final look. Ito yung door. Pag left mo is the restroom and the mirror, the cabinet, the overhead cabinet and the bed. Cabinet, tapos wall, tapos yung sofa, the TV and the drawers, and then the vanity station. And my bag is in there. And then, back to the table. That's all. Bye!